Today I'll be showing us how to create products on Endow. I'll start with how to create a digital product. To create a digital product, you just need to click on the plus sign to add new product. Then you select the product type, which is digital product. Then you enter in your information about the product. You select the product category and the subcategory. This has to relate with what your product is talking about. Knows how to input a product summary, which should tell a brief story about your product. Is compulsory, so you cannot proceed without entering a product summary. You also need images that would represent the product. It could also be images that shows what your product is about as much as possible. Then you have to enter in a full description of the product. Here you're allowed to customize as much as you can with the different font types that are here. You just need to highlight on the text or the portion of the text you intend to customize. Then you choose if you want it to be, I just change it to a monospace type of text, and you could have any of this customized to your description. You just need to be as creative as possible. This portion of the product creation allows you to sell yourself. So select payment type. The payment type would be either single payment, which is one-off charge, or a subscription or recurring type of payment. Then you select the base price that you want to sell the product for. So putting $1.30 in for this product because the store is automatically a USD store. What that inclusion means is once you even hit on the question mark, it should show you. It means that whatever you put in here, if you check tax inclusion, it means this product price includes your tax. What that means is the customer will not be charged tax whenever they purchase this product because you already included tax in your product price, which means the tax will be deducted from your product price at the point of the customer making a purchase. That's the implication. So you can choose to also check any of these options, either additional fee, pay what you want, add a discount, add another currency price. Maybe you want a Nigerian price. If you want your own one USD to be 1600 naira, you just input it like that's what you want it to carry. Also, your products are allowed to have variants. You can add variants, different type of products, but still the same product, but you just want it to have a little difference. However, the same type of products. I'm just going to put standard and just enter it as PDF plus what's included in the regular product. Once you do that, you enter the description because it is also compulsory. You need to set a price. It has to be a different price. It's either lower or higher than the price you set for the actual product. And if you think it's a free product, you are allowed to set it at a zero price. That is just as fine. I might even just leave this on a zero price for no reason. If it's a subscription product or a single payment, you need to just make a selection with that. Then if you want to upload a file, it could be a PDF or any of such files. Just need to, it allows you to upload pictures, PDFs and the likes. You just need to select what you want and you're good to go. If you have a link to that product, whatsoever type of link, you're allowed to enter the URL here and hit save. Once you hit save, the product variant will appear here and you're allowed to have more than one variant. You can keep adding more till you are satisfied. Another thing you can do to create your products is you are allowed to select the limits. If it's a limited stock, if the stock is unlimited, or if the product is still in pre-order stage, which means it will take long to arrive to the customer. You need to indicate what the limit of that product is. Then if you choose to also upload another file here, that is left to you, but that's not even compulsory at all. You can go ahead and create your product without uploading a product file right here. You can enter a link if you choose to. If you want to use a promo code or you want to create a promo code that is specific to just this product, you can hit this sign and go ahead to fill the promo code session. You fill the details of the promo code and you proceed. However, I'm not creating a promo code for this. Then you can add collaborators. That is very important because in case 2 or 3 people decide to collaborate on the same product, You can add the email here, and you select if it's a fixed amount you want them to get paid or a percentage split. You select, then you enter the percentage if it's a percentage. If it's a split amount, you enter the amount here to allow you input the amount. It's exactly how it appears. Then you can hit save. But because I'm not adding a collaborator to this product, I'll just hit cancel and I'll proceed to publish this product. And there you go, your product is created, and what we just created is a digital product. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question, do reach out to us. Bye for now.